What's life, guys? If I'm back again with another video. And in this video, we are going to be looking at the SINE function. This is another video that we are doing in the series that we have started on the functions that we have available to us in Microsoft Excel. There are about 360 to 370 functions that we'll be looking at. So that we'll be we are planning to do an individual video on each individual function. We have already done a video on the cosine. So now we are doing a video on the sine function. If you were to plot the sine wave, this is what it would look like. If you would plot the value of the sine from a negative 360 degrees to a positive 360 degrees, this is approximately what it will look like. Okay. So in this video also we'll be using the right angle triangle that we had used in the cosine video. It's again, just to recap, it's called a right angle triangle because one angle, which is this one here, is a 90-degree angle. Okay, the measure of the base is 4, the measure of the height is 3, and the measure of the hypotenuse we know is 5. The reason why we know this is from Pythagoras theorem that says the square of the measure of the hypotenuse is the sum of the squares of the height and the base. So if you square this, 3 squared is 9 and 4 squared is 16. So 16 plus 9 gives you 25. So that's the square of the measure of the hypotenuse. So if you take a square root, you get 5. So square root of 25 is 5, and that's how you get this 5 here. Okay. Now this is the angle that we'll be looking at. It's a 36.87 degrees or 0.64 radians. Always remember that the angles in Excel are in radians. They're never in degrees. If you want to have something in degrees or in radians, there are two functions that we will also be doing a video on later on. One is degrees and that is radians. What the degrees function does is it takes a value in radians and converts it into degrees. What the radians function does is it takes a value in degrees and converts it into radians. So you have available to you those two functions to go back and forth between degrees and radians. Okay, but let's come back to the sine function. Okay, the way you calculate that is equal to sine. There are two sine functions available, the regular sine and the hyperbolic sine, just like we had in the cosine. We will be doing a separate video on the hyperbolic sine. So let's go ahead with the regular sine, and these are parameter, which is the angle. Like I said, always remember angles in Excel are in radians and never in degrees. So we'll have to put the angle in radians, which is 0.6435. Okay, close bracket, hit enter. You get 0.59999. So it's very close to 0.6. Now we know from maths, from secondary school, high school math, that the sine of an angle is the opposite angle divided by the hypotenuse. So in this case, the opposite angle is 3. The opposite side is 3, and the hypotenuse obviously is 5. So 3 divided by 5 gives you 0.6, which is almost the same as this. So that's how you can quickly double check if things are working out for you. So that's it for this video. And it was supposed to be a real quick video to show you how to do a sine function in Excel. If you like this video, please kindly give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more videos like this, please kindly subscribe. And if you have any feedback, put it out in this comment section below. Make sure you hit the bell icon so you will get notifications from YouTube when new videos are uploaded. Thank you.